Welcome! In front of me I have a Suunto Ocean and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Suunto application, this one. I'm gonna move it to the home screen like this. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue and we can open the Suunto application by tapping on its icon. And here you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon at the top of the screen to open the device page. As you can see, we have the pop-up about the permission, but let's deal with it later. Wait until the watch is done syncing with our phone. Okay, it's connected, so we can go down on this page, find the option called notifications on watch. We can tap on it and try to turn on the notifications. And if you don't have the required permissions allowed, you will see some pop-ups on the screen. So tap on allow. It will redirect you to the device and app notifications or special app, not special app access, my bad. I think it's called notification access on the older versions of Android. On the newer ones, it's called device and app notifications. Anyway, you need to find the Suunto application on the list, tap on it, tap on the switch next to it, or rather next to allow notification access, then tap on allow. And once you allow the notification access, we can go back and the notifications should be turned on. And we have three types of notifications. We have the application notifications, call notifications, and messages. If you want to enable the call notifications, you can tap on the switch and you will need to allow some permissions for it to work. Same for the messages. You will need to tap on the switch, and once you enable it, you may see some pop-ups about the permissions. And finally, we have the app notifications. And here you can enable and disable the notifications for specific apps. As you can see, we have only a few applications on the list right now, but this list fills in automatically when you receive some notifications on your phone. So let's say I want to use Discord and I want to enable the notifications for Discord. And to do that, I need to first receive the notification from Discord on my phone. Then Discord will appear right here on the list, and then I can enable the notifications for it. Okay, so let's try. I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. Actually, let me close this up and send myself a message on Discord. Okay. Actually, it worked at the first try, apparently. We didn't need to go back to the app and enable the notifications for Discord, but as you can see, Discord, we have the notification here, we have it on our watch. I'm gonna open the Suunto app now, tap on the device icon, wait until the watch is done connecting with our phone, my bad. Tap on notifications on watch, application notifications, and the Discord appeared on the list. So I believe it will automatically turn on the notifications for the app that is added to this list. So that's good. It's less hassle, basically. Okay, so it is working. Another thing to mention is if you miss the notifications on your watch, you can press the lower button on the home screen to open the control panel. And here you can find the notifications, tap on it, and right here we have the notifications. And we can read them, clear them, and stuff like that. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.